friends, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell, I have one brow and no brow. Today I am doing a updated brow routine. The last time I did this was a year and a half ago, I believe, and my brows have kind of, they've hit puberty. They've gone through a few things, but so far I really like it. So today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. So if you're someone like me who literally has no brow and has very fine eyebrow hair, I'm going to teach you how to take voila to wally, and it's going to look super amazing and affordable. I love affordability. And the one thing that I love about it is it's super easy, simple, and quick. It's not going to take you some rocket science skills to get this. That's the one thing that I love about it. And I'm sharing some of my favorite products with you guys today. So I love you. Enjoy this video. I just love you guys so much. We're gonna start. So the first thing we're gonna do is the first thing we're gonna do today are our eyebrows. They are just you know, yeah. Okay, you guys, let's get started. As you guys can see, my brow hair are really fine and they're skinny, and I just want to make them more fluffier, bolder, bigger, give my face a little bit of shape, because right now I feel like my face is eating my eyebrows, and that is not what we want. So I'm going to be filling in my really fine eyebrow hair with a pencil. I really like a pencil because it's going to give you really small kind of hair-like strokes. It's not going to be too harsh. I sometimes like a pomade as well, but I've been kind of choosing a pencil a lot in the past, I would say, year or two. The one that I've been really liking is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Pencil, and I believe this is in the darkest shade when I was looking at their collection at Target. I like to keep my brows very dark. I'm going to use this to do really soft hair-like strokes and just build up the shape of my brows. So for this part of the brow routine, I like to go a little bit messy because we're going to clean it up in a little bit, so you don't have to be too precise. The applicator for this e.l.f. Cosmetic Brow Pencil is pretty thick. It is not a thin pencil, so it makes it really easy to fill in the brows pretty quickly because it covers more surface. So this is where I like to build the shape, make it as thick as I want it to, and then I'm going to go in and clean it. As you can tell, there's already a difference. Next, we're gonna clean up these babies. So I love cleaning up my eyebrows with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color Light Neutral. This formula is so good and it's so affordable. I definitely recommend this concealer to you guys. I love it for literally everything. And then I'm just gonna use a kind of round-tipped concealer brush, and this is gonna really help clean the bottom of the brows. And I like round tip because then you can kind of curve with your brow and it makes everything super easy. So as you guys can see right now, I basically carved out the bottom, and now I'm just gonna blend out this concealer. As you guys can tell now, I carved out the bottom of my brows, so you can already tell that the shape has changed and it looks so much cleaner. So now I'm just gonna blend out the concealer so there's no harsh lines. I think that is one of the reasons why I love the e.l.f. brow pencil so much. It's because it just makes it really easy to like build your shape and make it thicker, and then you can clean everything up. You don't have to be too precise, and I think it's a great pencil for beginners actually, and just someone who's kind of like half lazy when it comes to brows, because that is the one thing I hate about my my makeup routine is I hate doing my eyebrows. I think that is the one reason why I don't wear makeup, because then I think about doing my eyebrows and I'm just like, nah, I'll just go ugly for the day. So I like my eyebrows to have a fade, and what that means is the inner corners are lighter, and then as you go out to the tail of the eyebrows, it gets darker. So what I like to do right now after I'm done cleaning my brows is I like to take any black eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow from this Urban Decay Naked Basics palette, this dark one right here, and I'm just gonna take an angle brush and just lightly kind of do an overlay on the brows. And this is not only going to make it a little bit darker, it's going to really keep the product in place and not have like your tail moving. You don't want to look throughout the day and realize that the tail of your eyebrows are gone. Now to keep my brow hairs in place, I'm going to use the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Black Brown Tinted Brow Gel, and this is going to make my hairs not move throughout the day. So I need a little bit of it on the inner corners because that's where my eyebrow hairs are the longest. And I love this applicator because it's just so like skinny and small. This applicator is perfect for people with fine eyebrow hairs like me. I love it. Honestly, you guys can already tell a super huge difference. Wow, Kim. As you guys can already tell, there is already a huge difference in eyebrows. When I do my eyebrows, I like to have a little bit of lift because look, it's like, you know, I like that. It's like a facelift without a facelift. But right now, these products are my whole... And that is how you do this amazing brow, you guys. I love it. One of the things I love most about doing my brows, well, actually, I hate doing my brows, but one of the things I really enjoy with the finished product is the fade. I love a faded brow. I think it is just so beautiful and I have so much fun doing it. I think a lot of these products that I use are pretty affordable. The only thing that maybe is a little bit pricey is the Tarte Cosmetics brow gel, but you can find so many amazing brow gels at the drugstore. One that I absolutely love is this clear one. Let me show you. This clear one from Rimmel Brow This Way, and I like transparent brow gel because then you don't have to worry about the tint getting all over the place, especially if you're a beginner and you like can't nail those strokes yet. But other than that, everything else is pretty affordable and you can create such an amazing result with such affordable products. You don't have to go buy high-end brow products to have a good, you know, result. I feel like a lot of the times makeup is all about skill, even though product is pretty important, but skill is pretty important as well. So hopefully you guys love this very simple, easy, quick eyebrow tutorial. If you do, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Maybe share some new products with me because I love brow products, even though I hate doing my brows. But I love trying out new brow products, so let me know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and learned a tip or two. My eyebrow routine is super easy, simple, and quick, and I love to keep it affordable. But yeah, if you have fine eyebrow hairs like me, there is hope. There is a lot of hope. You can take it from this to voila, this one. So hopefully you guys try this at home and it works for you. I would love to hear your input if you do try it at home. And if you have any techniques or maybe brow products that can help others, make sure you comment down below and we can all share our thoughts and opinions. I love you guys so much and I'm very, very excited for you to see this tutorial because I think this brow turned out really pretty. As always, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like it. And don't forget to hit the bell because apparently YouTube doesn't notify you when I upload anymore. So I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much and I'll see you then. Bye, my loves.